Hi YouTube, it's Mia Wolf 222, and so today I'm going to be showing you guys the first part of making a small bird or parakeet or even parrot jungle gym. So here's the blueprint here. It's all made out of PVC pipe, a little bit of rope, a swing, some perches. And the benefits to a jungle gym is it's something to occupy your bird's time. It's something that they can just explore and play. And it's really good. It's a lot good for their mental health, and it's challenging for them to get to point A to point B and obstacles through it. So it's really, really healthy for your birds. I used to have a jungle gym, but it fell apart. So I decided to make another one. And this will actually go on a big shelf I'm making in the corner of my room. So I've measured it specifically for that. And I'm actually going to bolt this down, which is the bottom of it, down to the board. So this is just the top part, and then I'll show you guys the shelf. And this is what you're going to need. So this is all made out of 1/2 of an inch PVC pipe. And so here's the dimensions if you're making exactly what I'm doing, and this is just extra. So this, wait a second here. This first one is 21 inches. This is going to be the base. The second one here is 9.5 inches. The third one right here is 7.5 inches. These two, you need 2 of them, is 5 inches. These 2 here are 3 inches, and this one is 2 inches. You'll also need a bucket lid. I got this separate at my hardware store. You didn't have to buy a bucket with it, or just something like a cooking pan will work fine. You just have to be able to screw something through it. You need 5 caps, PVC caps. 2 of the 5 you need to drill holes through. 2 of them you need to leave alone, and 1 you need to put a hole here and a hole here. I haven't drilled any of the holes yet, but I will get there. You need to be able to thread a wire or something to hang the perch on right here. Or you could just use duct tape or whatever works. You need a bolt with a washer and a nut. And that needs to be the size of your hole. You also need to drill a hole through the center of your bucket lid, the same size. You need a tape measure. You need 2 T-pipes, connectors, and you need 3 90-degree angles of connectors or elbows. If you haven't already gotten your pipes pre-cut, then you need a PVC pipe cutter. Excuse me. This is just one of the types. The other type pretty much looks like a big branch clipper or a pair of pliers. You can buy that at $11 or $11 to $15 at a hardware store. You need a swing. This actually came with my cage I have now, but it was way too big, so I took it out. You need a rope. This is 2 feet of rope. And you need a few toys. So this is just twist ties I put together. This is just a cardboard toy, like a rattly toy. And this is like Fisher-Price baby keys. And depending on how big your parakeet or cockatiel or parrot's legs and feet are, determines how big you should get the pipes. So this is the smallest they had because I have a parakeet. I have multiple parakeets, and the babies are on their way. So I'm making this because so when my parakeets aren't flighted, the babies, which 5 have hatched, and 1 egg was a dud, or was unfertilized. I'm making this so they have something to climb on while they're not flighted yet, or just for my regular parakeets to just play on. And this is pretty much all you need. And with the duct tape, it's to go around the pipes where they're standing, so they don't slip, because these are pretty slick. Or you could use sandpaper and sand it down, make it rough so they can stand on it and grip it. And this is just what you need for this video, and I will post a link in the description for the next video of me actually putting it together. I don't have a camera that does that long enough, so I can only take 15 minutes of film with this camera. So, and this is it. So this is Mia Wolf 222 signing out.